my name is Glissina Bethea Tumaini, and I will introduce myself answering 3 questions for this week's discussion board post. Social workers' research is empowering. Research demonstrates for social workers how to assess the skills of individuals and systems on their journey. The joy of research for me is finding practices and skills which will be utilized while providing services for families. The social worker has the opportunity to be the detective and research skills possessed by the client. So once the skills, needs, abilities, and preferences are established, the work can include the client with goal selection. The social worker will also be able to use evidence-based interventions towards treatment successes. Social workers deal with behaviors of human beings and must be able to understand what they're driving functioning. Research has assisted the social work community and many other professions with the necessary knowledge to implement during practice. Research is important in the social work area as it will keep the social work community abreast of new and upcoming treatment measures. Through research, social workers can have the ability to learn new methodologies of treatment and gain education of evidence-based practice. And through research, treatment outcomes and success can be gauged. Throughout my years of education, I have always loved math. However, I dislike statistics. And maybe it's because it's difficult for me to follow. I also dislike the methods used to answer equations, which contribute to my disinterest and confusion in the topic.